signal. First, it turns on the 2 turn signal lights at full power, and then it reads the switches 1 and 2. If either of them is pressed, the light that corresponds with that dims from 8 to 4 for half a second, and then it goes to full power for a full second, and then it loops back around to check the switches again. If neither switch is pressed, it goes over here, checks the ignition switch, and I have this built into each sub-program. If the ignition switch is not pressed, it goes back and it loops the program. If the ignition switch is pressed, it exits the sub-program and shuts off the program, or shuts the entire program down. So on the actual robot, right here we have our turn signal switches. There's one switch here and one switch here. Down here we have the 2 lights. When I move the slider to the top, the right light blinks. I move the slider to the bottom, the left light blinks. So I tried to make that as realistic as I could. And then that's all there is for the turn signal.